Hello and welcome. So this video is going to be a tour of our hotel room in Madrid. It is the AC Hotel Carlton and we got just a basic room. We did request for a king size bed. The options were 2 twin or 1 king size. So we just requested it when we booked it to get the king size bed. And we also requested early check-in and that was no problem. The reason we booked this hotel in particular was because it is right by the train station, like the high-speed trains. So we were arriving by a high-speed train and we are leaving by a high-speed train, so it made the most sense to have a hotel close to the train station, and it was pretty close to get to all the things we wanted to do. We took transit to the temples of Dabad yesterday, but then we ended up walking back from the Royal Palace of Madrid and it only took about 20 to 30 minutes, so pretty centrally located. The area I wouldn't say is like super nice, but it's a good location. I couldn't get in. I couldn't get in. Okay, now that we're in, you gotta put your key in here, and this is the lights. But you have to have your key in there for the lights to work. There's a big mirror right here. Big ol' mirror. The ceiling kind of reminds me of like a sauna. And then this is, it's nice and big in here. This is like the entrance. And then this is the bathroom. There's just a sliding door. So it doesn't like lock or close, like it closes all the way, but it doesn't lock. If you're staying with somebody that's not like you're close with, it'd be kind of awkward. And then there's lights right here. And this is the shower. It has a nice big rainfall thing. The only thing with the shower is this is as far as the glass goes. There's no like curtain or glass, so we get water like all over the bathroom. But the shower works nice. And for some reason the towel hook is also like in the shower, so if you actually hang your towel here, it gets wet. And then it came with this stuff in the shower. It's bath gel and shampoo. And then there's a toilet, just a normal toilet. A phone, just in case. The toilet paper. Comes with a blow dryer. Lots of towels, lots of spots to put your stuff here. And then the sink, and then it came with body lotion, soap. Oh, and there was a dental kit, but I put it in my bag. And some tissues. Yeah. No issues with the bathroom, minus the fact that when you use the shower, you get water all over kind of the whole shower, or the whole bathroom. But really a lot of water right here, just because like the water sprays past this, so it's just kind of weird. I don't really understand what's going on there. Okay, moving out of the bathroom. There's a sliding door right here, if you want to close that from the bathroom area, and then you can have that big door closed. This room is a lot bigger than the last room that we stayed in Barcelona, so it seems really big to us because the last room we stayed in was really small. So we got a king bed. We did request for a king bed. It was either 2 twin beds or a king size bed. And then we have this little area, just the normal Spain plug-in over here. So we had to bring our adapter. Don't mind the mess. It's our last day here. There's like a little bench here and some art. Then there's a big closet here with the same kind of sliding doors. A safe. A spot to hang some stuff. Lots of storage if you need to store your stuff. And a big tall closet if you had like a dress or a suit or something that you needed to store. This is really messy, don't mind it. This is like a little desk and chair. a little, I think this is like, we never used this. It's mainly to make like tea, I think. Yeah, it says please use only to heat water. And then there's like a little like tea bar. We'd never used it because we, whoa, just went and got like Starbucks coffees. But if you like that, you can use that. And then the little mini bar. This is ours, but everything else is stuff that comes with it, but it is a charge, so we didn't eat or drink any of the stuff that comes in the mini fridge. They did give us 2 waters for free though, but all of this stuff is for a charge, and it's pretty expensive compared to if you just go, there's like a supermarket right by here, so the drinks are a lot cheaper there. And then there's a big window. Our view is nothing spectacular, but the windows do open, and it's just like open. All the windows here like don't have screens, they're just kind of open. We had a heck of a time trying to figure out these blinds, but they do go up and down. And then there's little chairs and a table. We did eat some dinner here one night, which was nice. And then another little thing, and same thing. So this is our adapter that we had brought, but you need to have an adapter. There's no USB plugs or anything in this hotel room, so make sure you have your adapter if you're not from Europe. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole room. Air conditioning works really good. It's nice and cold in here. Okay, that is the full room tour. I will put a couple clips of the front of the hotel and the lobby. That's our hotel. And thank you for watching.